Hi, hello to everyone. Welcome to my channel Deep Maths. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from the vectors. Okay. Okay. And the question is, if the vertices A, B, C of a triangle ABC are 1, 2, 3, comma minus 1, 0, 0 and 0, 1, 2 respectively, then find angle ABC. Right. So first here we are given with what? A 1, comma 2, comma 3, B minus 1, comma 0, comma 0 and C 0 comma 1 comma 2, right? So now we are given with ABC only. You have to find uh, sides of the triangle, right? AB, if you take the triangle, points are given. We have to find this equal vector and this vector so that we can find B. If you take ABC in this way, we have to find AB, then BC, then from that you can find the angle B. Okay. So coming to AB, vector AB equals to OA minus OB also you can take, which is equals to OA is 1, minus of minus 1 I cap plus 2 minus 0 J cap plus 3 minus 0 K cap, which is equals to 1 plus 1 I cap plus 2 J cap plus 3 K cap, 2 I cap plus 2 J cap plus 3 K cap. Now what we have to find next? BC we have to find. For that also OB minus OC, which is equals to OB, means 0 minus of minus 1 I cap plus, sorry, OB, no, first this one, minus 1 minus 0 I cap plus 0 minus 1 J cap plus 0 minus 2 K cap. Here we have to subtract bigger from the smaller, so let us OC minus OB also we can do, no? OC means 0 minus of minus 1 I cap plus 1 minus 0 J cap plus 2 minus 0 K cap, which is equals to I cap plus J cap plus 2K cap. Okay, so we find the vectors AB and BC. So for the dot product, actually what is the formula for angle? Before that we have to take the dot product AB dot BC. How to find that? Just multiply both the coefficients I, J, K coefficients and add them. Okay, so 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2. Got it? Understood? The coefficients of I, J, K caps in both the equations, means vectors, we have to multiply them, and each one must be added. So 2 plus 2 plus 3, sorry 6 is equals to 10. Now actual cross product formula, dot product formula is what? Mod of AB BC, vector BC into cos theta, right? So this what we got, 10 is equals to this. We have to find, no, how to find that? Mod of AB means magnitude of AB. How to find? Root of 2 square, coefficients squares and add, addition. Square the coefficients and add them. 2 square 4, 2 square 4 plus 3 square 9, which is equals to root of 17. So AB, vector AB magnitude. Next coming to vector BC magnitude, equals to root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. So magnitude of vector BC equals to root of 1 plus 1 plus 4, 5, 6. So root 6. So what you will get here, this root 17 into root 6 into cos theta. So what you will get cos theta? Cos theta equals to 10 by root 17 into root 6, which is equals to 10 by root 6. 17, 6 is how much? 102. Therefore angle theta is equals to cos inverse of 10 by root 102. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section. Not only in this topic, in any topic, if you have doubts, specify that question in the comment section. I'll solve it as a separate video for you. Okay.